Hi, I'm Raina. I'm the Southeast Territory rep at Cara Green, here for another Cara Green Quickie, and today let's talk about Organoid. Organoid is a natural surfacing company out of Austria. They're located in the Tyrol Mountains, which is where they harvest a lot of the material that they use for their surfaces. So this one is alpine hay with colorful petals. This one is corn flour. This one is light green moss. A lot of other moss surfaces, they take moss and they spray paint it, but this is actual true to life color. Organoid takes all of these different organic materials, they mix it with a bioresin, and then they put it on different backers, like high pressure laminate, like these. They have a translucent self-adhesive. They have a flexible flax backing that's completely compostable. They also have flooring, which they add an extra hot coating on top of to make it extra durable. They have an acoustical backer as well. And they also have these picture absorbers, which are stuffed with wool, and they act as both an insulator and a sound absorber. The coolest thing about Organoid, in my opinion, is that everything smells like what it is. So this is vanilla pods, which is a byproduct of a pudding factory, because the factory only uses the beans. It smells so good. This one is coffee, which smells like coffee. And people often ask how much it'll smell in your space. And it really depends on the size of the room, the humidity that day. There are a couple factors. Most materials are available on every backer. This stock program folder shows you the options that they have already made, ready to ship out. Really, no matter how you use it, it's going to add a nice biophilic element to your space, whether that's on a decorative wall or furniture or a lovely light box. So let me know if you'd like any samples, and you can find more information on our website, caragreen.com. Thanks.